Oh, yeah. When the night comes close and fear tries to silence me, when the doubts whisper softly that I will never make it through, I remember every promise God has spoken over me. The cross was left behind, for He has overcome. His name is the rock that keeps my feet from giving way. Even in the raging waters, He teaches me to stand. The life He gave to me, no power can take away. If Christ defeated death, in Him I will believe.
When I saw no open door, He parted seas for me. His voice calmed the winds and caused the storm to cease.
You are the one who walked through fire, who made the lions yield. You reign
above the universe.
Great is the Lord.
Christ, the Son of the living God.
My life is offered for your praise.
Who walked on waters in a raging, breaking sea.
He is the same who takes my hand,
And He leads me step by step, day by day.
for He is alive, and I can trust tomorrow now. When the pain grows strong and my soul starts losing strength, I remember all the plans that He prepared for me. For His eternal love calls out my very name, and then His healing oil comes gently covering me.
I don't live by what I see, I live on what He promised me. My heart finds rest within His saving grace.
For true life burns inside my heart and soul. Darkness cannot stand against the brilliance of your gaze. The veil has been torn, nothing can hold us back.
You reign above the universe.
Great is the Lord,
Brother Christ, the Son of the living God.
my Savior and my Shepherd.
One who walked on waters in a raging, breaking sea.
Has defeated death, and now He lives in me. He holds my future firmly, soften my heart and heart. My confidence is this, because He lives. Yes, I can trust tomorrow's dawn.
'Cause He lives,
Oh,
'cause He lives,
oh, yeah.
'cause He lives,
Because He lives.
because He lives,
Oh,
'cause He lives, 'cause He lives, 'cause He lives,
I fear no more.
'cause He lives.
Oh, no, no, well, in whom I trust, the one who soon will come again to take us home.